Hello, and welcome to Dynabuddy. This video will show you how to play along with the videos called Make a Beat. Make a Beat videos are rhythm improvisation videos. Make sure you have your instrument set up and ready to play, and the volume turned up on your device before you start the video. First, play the one note that you'll use for the whole video. All the rhythms you play will be on that one note, so remember that note and its fingering. Next, listen to the rhythm and then echo what you hear. You'll see the music for this part so you can follow along with the bouncing ball. You'll echo the same rhythm twice. The next two times you hear that rhythm, you'll get to play back something different. Use the rhythmic values shown, like quarter notes, half notes, etc., to make up a new rhythm. You can also add rests. Try to play a different rhythm each time. Then, you'll get to do that whole activity 2 more times with new rhythms. Echo the rhythm exactly as you hear it twice, and then make up a new rhythm twice. Then, keep watching till the end so you can give yourself a score. Pause the video if you need to so you can think about whether you just did the echoing parts or if you also played something different using the rhythms that you saw in the video. If you scored a 1, go back to the beginning and try again. Learning music takes a lot of practice. Happy practicing!